Hello, my name is Jessica Nyden, and I am going to go over the paper engineering quick challenge. We were challenged to make 2 pop-up cards, which is a fun and creative way to implement technical procedural problem solving, while still allowing students to have the option to be creative in the messages that they write and how they decorate their cards. The first one that I did a simpler one just to kind of get the hang of how to make a pop-up card. And I used this YouTube video to kind of direct and follow how I created it. And then, I created the second one a little bit more complicated, and I also used my Cricut just to kind of mess around with the idea of making pop-up cards. And I feel like if it is an option to be able to introduce different types of technology to students, this would be a great way to introduce them to a new type of technology, and just familiarize them with it and make their pop-up cards a little bit more fun and unique. I used this YouTube video to show me how to create the steps. And I was going to make it look similar to that, but then I decided to go ahead and use my Cricut and create more of like a village look, which is also really cool because I still followed the steps on how to make the card, but I didn't follow the creative side of it. So I still got to design that aspect myself. And then some classroom ideas that I had on how you can use pop-up cards or paper engineering is that you can integrate electricity and use copper conductive tape and LED lights and batteries to familiarize students with electricity. And then you could also integrate social studies and discuss or celebrate different cultural holidays and create cards for that holiday. You could integrate math and discuss different angles, lines, and symmetries that occur when folding the paper. And then you could also, I think this one is my favorite, you could integrate writing and allow students to create a card of their choice for someone they are thankful for, and teach letter writing skills and have students write letters to the person in mind. And I think it's also really important to note that when students are creating this card, especially younger students, they're practicing their fine motor skills, which is super important. I think this would be a really fun way to teach step-by-step lesson plans while still allowing students to have that creative aspect incorporated into their project. Thank you.